Yeah, I thought I'd show you a little update on my gear install. Uh, I got the cases split on it. It really wasn't all that hard to split the case. You want to make sure you take off the passenger side case, is the half that comes off. The side that the pulley, the driven pulley's on, that's the side that stays on there. So the side you want to pry off is the passenger. I pressed the bearings off already. I used a 3-jaw puller to press this bearing off. And then I've got a splitter puller that I use to press this one off. And it just unbolts. It's got 4 bolts that hold it on there. This comes off. Nothing really majorly difficult about it. And one other thing, instead of pulling the axle shafts out of the tubes, I elected to just pull the whole tube out of the axle. A lot easier that way, a lot less work. And it's easy to tell the difference between the two. Of course, the left side will have this nub where you've got a spot here on the swing arm that the nub goes into, so it's almost impossible to get it wrong. If you did get it wrong, you just have to pull it back apart and do it again. And I just pulled my shifter cable off the front of it, nothing really major. But so far that's how it's going. I'm waiting on I ordered the wrong set of gears. I don't know why I did that, but 94 to 97 and part of 98 have the large bearing. All the early ones do, like this one does. And I ordered the set with the 98 and later size bearing, which is smaller. And it slides on there like I showed you a second ago, but it just goes on there, presses on there. Then I'll just probably use a regular bearing press to stand-up bearing press to press the gear back on. The new gears will come with this gear and this gear. I'll make sure you get your spider gear back in there, right? But this gear here, this bearing here presses on there. I use, like I said, a 3-jaw puller to pull it off. This bearing just pretty much is splined on there. It's got little splines where it goes on there, and it's got 2 spacers on top of it, so you want to be careful you don't lose your spacers on it. This one here had like a thin one and then a thicker one on it. I didn't really see one underneath of it. It has no spacer underneath of it. But that's what the large bearing 94 to 98 and a half looks like when it's took apart. I get ready to put it back together. I'll make another video. Thanks for watching.